Hey guys, Alessio speaking to you today from Persepolis in Persia, or Iran as it is now known. I just want to give you a quick market update. Before I do that though, take a look at this. I mean, this behind me is an amazing place. This is the throne. This is the seat of the Persian Empire, which was once, of course, occupied, held by Xerxes, held by Cyrus, the great emperors, Darius, and of course even Alexander the Great. Now I want to talk about a very disturbing situation across the markets, on the stock markets, and also even on Bitcoin. First, the stock markets. We saw a huge market drop last week on Thursday and Friday. The situation on the stock markets could be quite bad because, for one thing, we've come down to a major critical level. That's a 200 moving average on the charts and also a critical support level. I think it is quite likely that we're going to come and test those February panic lows and even probably take them out. And the reason actually is because of this, because there was a report on Friday by Jason Geppert that he said that the smart money institutions are leaving the stock market. Actually pretty disturbing, pretty bad. And guess what, guys? If we fall below the 200 moving average and we fall below the February panic lows, then I got three words for you: brace for impact. Because if we fall below the February panic lows, that is going to trigger what's called a Dow theory sell signal. A Dow theory sell signal is pretty serious because that's going to trigger sell programs across the markets and probably drive the S&P, drive the stock markets much further lower. We could be looking at probably a 15 to 20% correction or crash on the stock markets if we fall below the February panic lows and we close below them. Now, of course, Bitcoin is also very close to its February panic lows, but I think Bitcoin will probably do better because the correlation is not that strong with the stock markets. So keep watching what happens in the next few days this week, because we might fall below those February lows and the 200 average. Again, Bitcoin needs to protect that level, the February lows, and so does the stock market. However, here's the thing to watch out for. If the stock markets fall to the February lows, and if we hold those levels, if we bounce from those levels, then things actually could be pretty good. And actually we might be looking at one of the best buying opportunities of a lifetime there. But personally, on the balance of probabilities, I think it's more likely that we're going to fall below the February panic lows on the stock markets, mostly because of what I just said, that the smart money seems to be leaving the stock market. And again, as I mentioned, guys, if the smart money is leaving and if we fall below those February panic lows, then yeah, brace for impact. It's going to get pretty ugly. All right, guys, make sure you watch my next video on the 3 shocking facts about Iran, and also another video I'm going to make about its great place, Persepolis. Hey guys, so just started a 12-hour journey to Shiraz.